Wow, this is really amazing. So beautifully cleared. Oh, decoration you can see, guys. I'm gonna show you this. Looks really natural. So beautiful. Wow, water's falling down like a heaven, guys. So really nice. I'm gonna take this video today. Please watch it, see, and if you like, please comment, subscribe, like my channel, and you can also share video. Also, this music you can have free. I really like the decorated mix with this water falling down. Wow, I really enjoying this, having this place and video. That's really amazing. So nice. The flower is so beautiful. Maybe sometime in future I also will decorate like my garden and my home. Maybe because I love it. It's so beautiful. This is actually Queen's birthday. It was like a Mother Day of Queen's birthday. So many different decorations. Wow. Many people come there. On the other side is food also. Selling some food. So, yeah. Wow. You can see this flower and so now blossoming, and so people are watching. They are looking, taking video and TikTok and picture for Instagram, maybe many for YouTube channel. Maybe the more important thing is that people are very enjoying much and seeing them like very happy and fresh and peace of mind here. Because so beautiful and nature, flower. Yeah. Wow. You can see people here. Couple, there's just a couple come and some bigger bird family flying so beautifully natural. Some single like Asmi. This is fish, the chicken fish. Many different fish. This is so beautiful, colorful. Just like I don't know exactly what is fish name, but maybe different. I lobster fish. Wow. Thank you for watching. See you next.